Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to make this yarn bracelet. Let's get started. Let's make a tool. Use the hard cardboard and draw a circle with any radius. My radius is 1.5 inch. It doesn't have to be a perfect circle. You can do the handwriting as well. And you have to divide by 8 pretty much evenly inside. After you cut the circle, you make 8 nicks right on the marks around the circle. These are the hooks. And you make a hole in the center of circle. Not too big and not too small. Choose 7 different color of yarn and tied a knot one end. Length should be your choice. Now put the knot through into the hole. If you have a smaller hole, you can always adjust. Make it bigger, or if you make the huge hole and too loose, don't worry about it. You can use the scotch tape. Put the yarn end onto the board later, so don't worry about it. Now hook every single yarn onto the hook. No color order. As you already know, you picked 7 different color of yarn, but you have 8 hooks, which means there is one empty hook. Empty hook always be close to you, face to you. And third, yarn from the empty hook goes to empty hook. Again, empty hook face to you, then third yarn from the hook goes to empty hook. And you just keep doing the same thing on and on. Again, empty hook face to you, and third yarn, the gray one, goes to empty hook. Again, keep doing same thing until you reach your desired length. It doesn't have to be bracelet. You can make this longer and use as necklace or some belt. If you use different thickness of yarn, it's gonna be different texture as well. This is so easy. You can make this while you're watching TV. This is actually great for your keychain as well. Enjoy crafting!